Gorgeous Stately Estate. Welcome to Hillbrook Farm. Situated on 32.55 acres of picture-perfect setting, this astonishing homestead is incredibly rich in history. Built circa 1902 by West D. Hill, this phenomenal Colonial Revival house is appointed with 5 bedrooms/4 bath and boasts over 4,500 square foot. The extensive floor plan offers all you need to live a life of complete comfort. From the moment you approach this gem, you will be instantly greeted by a long gated driveway leading to the stunning historic home surrounded by a variety of outbuildings. It is the perfect setting for privacy and serenity. Home exterior features characteristics align with its architectural roots, such as elegant lines, symmetrical shape, side porches, hipped roof, classical columns and more. Upon entering, an inviting foyer with incredible mouldings greets you with open arms. There are dual formal living rooms on either side of the grand majestic foyer. Incredible workmanship and exquisite features are present on every turn, from the gorgeous original hardwood floors to the ornate fireplace mantle.